Hey, what's up everybody? Taylor with KC here, and today in this video it's going to be a very quick tech tip, and we're looking at our Flexera 4 lights. We're going to be showing you quickly and easily how to change out the beam pattern on your FE4s. So as you can tell, the beam pattern is controlled by the lens itself, so all we have to do is swap out the spot beam for the combo beam lens or vice versa. Really, all you have to do is pull out these 4 Allen head 4mm bolts. So I've got our tool right here for that. Pull everything off, and then put the new O-ring that's included with the new beam kit and put it right in, and that's pretty much it. So let's take a quick look at how we do it. First off, we're just gonna crack all these 4mm Allens. As you're doing this, you wanna be really careful that you're in an area suitable for changing out the beam pattern because you are opening up the light. So if you're gonna be in a super dusty environment, you're probably not gonna wanna do this because then you're gonna be getting dust particles into the light itself and into the reflector. So I would say do this in your garage or inside your house, in the living room or something along those lines where it's kind of a clean environment. Okay, so now that we've got all 4 of those, the faceplate and the bezel will come off just like that. So go ahead and set that to the side. And then you can work on getting the old lens out that you're gonna swap out. So I'd like to just pry my fingernail under there just a little bit and then pull that right out just like that. And I am gonna take out the old O-ring that's with this because it's just something that we don't really need because the new kit comes with one. So after that, bust open the new kit. And the first step is to put the O-ring in. So you'll see in here that there's some machined grooves for the O-ring to fit in nicely. And go ahead and just plop that in. Grab your new beam. And so the way that these work is the combo section or the fluted lenses, those go at the bottom of the light itself. So you can see just like that. And you can see that there's a little portion that's 3D that's kind of raised. So you want that raised portion to be facing up, not facing down into the light. From there, then grab your bezel and your trim kit, just like that. And then put all 4 screws back in. And after that, then you're done. You've completely swapped out the beam pattern on your Flexera 4 lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up right here, but we hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to adventure further.